Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I brought a new and amazing project for you that's name is Moner. I will tell each and everything about this project, so don't skip the video from anywhere and watch the video completely till the end so that you can understand the whole project and generate the maximum earning through it. So first of all, if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get all the notification of my new uploading videos. So friends, I have given the link in the description. As you press on the link, you will get the interface of this project like this. So you can see here is the home, meme, hub, lottery, about, roadmap, and FAQ. I will tell each and everything, so don't skip any part of this video. Moner by Matt Fury. Our NFTs are your tickets to join our ship. Get ready to come abroad and be part of this journey. Mint will be live at 1 cap. Here is a token price that is 0.0047 and market cap is 46,479. 24-hour volume is 180 and total burn is given here that is 0.23%. Meme Creation Hub. Create and share epic memes with the Monarch community. Latest community and creations. Meme Generator. Choose 4 unique Monarch templates and create viral memes with our easy-to-use generator tools. Number 1. Multiple Monarch templates. Number 2. Custom text overlay. Number 3. Instant download and share. Number 4. Save to community gallery. Join the meme revolution. Our over 12 memes created by our amazing community. What will you create today? 0 active creators and 5 total shares. And easy step how to buy. First of all, you have to create your wallet. Create wallet. Download MetaMask of your wallet of choice from the App Store or Google Play Store. For free desktop user, download the Google Chrome extensions by going to metamask.io. Number 2. Get Smooth ETH. Get the some ETS. Have ETH in your wallet to switch the money. If you don't have any ETH, you can buy directly on MetaMask, transfer from another wallet, or buy on another exchange and send it to your wallet. Number 3. Open Uniswap. Open Uniswap. Connect to Uniswap. Go to the app.uniswap.org in Google Chrome or inside your MetaMask app. Connect your wallet. Paste the Moner token address into the Uniswap. Select Moner and confirm it. Number 4. Swap ETS for Moner. Swap ETS for Moner. Swap ETS for Moner. We have zero taxes, so you don't need to worry about buying with a specific slippage, although you may need to use slippage during time of market volatility. The story about us. Matt Fury, creator of Waves the Frog, is working on a new book called Cortex Vortex, and Moner is a shaping of the star. His editor Bang is foreshadowing the main role of Moner is the booking, as it is main PFP and the symbol of the attention on his recent Instagram post. Moner represents the evolution of meme culture and artistic expression in the digital age. The community-driven token celebration the intersection of art, culture, and decentralized finance, bringing together fans of Mad Fury iconic art style and the vibrant world of cryptocurrency. And here is a community driven, built by the community for the community, no central authority, just pure decentralized meme magic. Mad Fury inspired by the iconic art style of Mad Fury, creator of Peep and the Frog and the upcoming Cortex Vortex book. Meme culture, celebrating the power of memes and their impact of the internet culture and digital communities. And our goals roadmap. In phase 1, $1,000 holders milestone, reaching our first major milestones of 1,000 holders demonstrates the growing state of our community and set foundation for future growth. In phase 3, first million market cap, breaking through 1 million market cap barrier and rewarding our loyal community with exclusive NFT maintaining opportunity for trusted holders. In phase 4, NFT community launching our exclusive NFT community where holders can access early previews of developments, participate in governance, and shape the future of Monarch. You can actually ask questions. If you have any question about this, you can ask easily. And here is a join our community. And I will tell how you can buy it and join their community. You can see here is a Monarch lottery. Live lottery starts from the blocks, and you can see here is a smart contract address is given here. You have to copy this address and paste it into your wallet. And here is the current lottery starts. Current round is one active lottery round. Prize pool is 0. METS player is 0. Current participants entry cost is 0.001 ATS, and last winner, no previous winner, first lottery, winning chance, no player yet joined to get your chance. How it works. Number one, player enter this by sending ATS to the contract. Each entry increase the price pool. Your winning chance is one total player out of total players. Winner is selected randomly using chain link VRF. Winner receive the measure of the pool. And there is no previous winner is given here. Check valid participant enter valid address and check you can check it. Disclaimer and time of use. Money lottery is fun and community engagement product. It is not gambling or financial product. Participation is voluntary and for entertainment and community rewards only, not financial advice. No guarantee of winnings, outcomes, and for community enjoyment. By participating, you agree to these terms and knowledge at all risk. And here is the Monar Meme Hub. Create, share, and discover the best Monar memes. 12 memes created, 0 active creators, and total 5 shares. Create epic meme with your favorite Monar creator. Your creator name. Enter your creator name. Choose a Monar template. That is Monar classes, the original Monar expression. Monar thinking, deep thoughts with Monar. Monar squad, 3 Monar together. Monar happy, cheerful Monar vibes. Recent community memes is given here. You can check that is all in front of you. And here is the next tool. You can see here is the chart of prices ups and downs. And the market cap is 46.53k. Liquidity is 22.9k. Circular supply is 99.774 million and holder is 607. Total market cap is 46.53k. 24-hour volume is 179.76. Total supply is 997.74 million and volatility is 0.0078. Buy your ad in our marketplace and promote your token on the best DeFi trading platform. And there is more information is given here. Contract verified yes, only port by tax, sell tax that is 0% and buy tax is also 0%. And here is the Uniswap. You can see here is a chart is given here, and if you sell one ETH, then you will buy the $1,997, and then you have to connect your wallet. And Mad Fury create a peep. The frog is working on a new book, Cortex Vortex, and Moner is shaping up to the start. His audience is foreshadowing the main role of Moner in the book as it is. And here is the official Telegram. You must have to join this to get all the notification about this project. So don't skip to join their community. Moner by the Mad Fury Portal, in which 428 are subscribers. Moner was the first relieved by the Mad Fury on X dated 7th December 2021 and recently added in Cortex Vortex. And here is the official Twitter. You must also have to join this to get all the updates. Matt Fury, creator of Peep the Frog, is working on a new book. Address is given here as 108 is following and 207 are followers. So friends, I will tell each and everything about this project. I hope you will like it. So meet you in the next video. Take yourself and thank you.